Ever wondered what the cloud really is? Let's demystify cloud computing and virtualization. Cloud computing is a remote, virtual pool of on demand shared resources that can be rapidly deployed at scale. It's used in various sectors from IT to retail and finance. Virtualization is the foundation of cloud computing. It allows the creation of multiple virtual machines on a single server, each with its own operating systems and applications. A hypervisor is used to create the virtualized environment, ensuring proper sharing of hardware resources. Virtualization offers benefits like resource sharing, reduced waste, lower operating costs, and environmental friendliness. Virtual machines can be used to build and share compute, storage, database, and network resources, providing on demand processing power, data storage, structured data storage, and resource communication control. Cloud computing is a remote, virtual pool of on demand shared resources that can be rapidly deployed at scale. So it's a game changer in the world of technology. Let's dive into the different types of cloud computing: public, private, and hybrid. A public cloud offers on demand services to the public with resources accessible from anywhere. The vendor handles all maintenance, and customers can specify the geographic region for data storage. Similar to a public cloud, a private cloud is not shared with the general public. It's hosted, managed, and owned by a company, providing direct control over resources. Different teams share the same scalable resources, but it requires significant initial capital and maintenance. Hybrid cloud. A hybrid cloud combines public and private clouds, allowing for dedicated resources in a private cloud and the option to request more from a public cloud. While it offers flexibility, it can suffer from the negatives of both models and is often a transitional state for enterprises. So let's dive into some of the cloud concepts. On demand resourcing. Looking to provision a resource within the cloud. With on demand resourcing, it's almost immediately available to you. No more waiting around for hardware to be ordered, installed, cabled, and configured. It's often as simple as filling out a form and clicking submit. Consumption based. With many cloud services, you only pay for what you use. Just like your power bill at home, you only pay for the electricity you use. If you only have a server running for 2 hours and then you shut it down, then you are only going to pay for 2 hours worth of compute resources. Scalability and agility. Cloud computing offers you the agility to rapidly scale your environment's resources, both up and down and in and out. It gives you the ultimate flexibility to keep up with the ever changing demands of the market and frees you up to try new things and experiment with much lower initial costs. Economy of scale. Public cloud vendors can procure hardware for much cheaper due to bulk pricing. You, as the end user, can benefit from these exceptionally low resource cost compared to traditional hosting. Highly available. By design, many of the core services on the public cloud are replicated across different geographic zones and regions. That means that a disruption in one area does not have to result in any downtime. You can ensure the durability of your data and the availability of your services. Flexibility and elasticity. Cloud computing offers huge flexibility and elasticity to your design approach. You have full control and can make fairly significant changes without worrying about waste. Shared infrastructure. Multiple instances running on the same hardware significantly reduce the amount of physical hardware required, resulting in cheaper cost for you, the customer. Security. The major public cloud vendors are considered to be more secure than your own data center. They manage the security of the cloud by securing the data centers, and it's up to you to ensure security in the cloud by correctly leveraging the tools, services, and applications available. So let's try understand the cloud service models: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, offers the highest level of customization. You can configure your own virtual data center, including the network, virtual machine instances, and more. It feels a lot closer to your traditional on-premises data center. So platform as a service offers a great level of control than SaaS. It provides a simple platform for developers to deploy and run code on without having to worry about maintaining, upgrading, and patching servers. Software as a service offerings are ready to use applications that require little to no setup. Example including Google Gmail, where users can access the application over the internet without installing anything. These cloud services models cater to different needs, offering varying level of customization and controls. Whether it's IaaS, PaaS, or SaaS, there's a cloud service model for every requirement. So have you ever wondered how cloud computing is used in the real world? So let's dive into some practical use cases that demonstrate the power of the cloud. So for startups, when it comes to startups, the cloud is a perfect fit. It eliminates the need to invest in expensive IT infrastructure and allows for rapid scalability to accommodate sudden growth. For research and development, the cloud offers a cost-effective solution. It enables the creation of prototypes without a hefty initial investments, allowing for better prediction of success or failure. During peak periods, such as the holiday season, the cloud provides on demand resources to handle increased traffic, eliminating the need for ideal hardware. The cloud's resiliency and durability make it an ideal backup solution, offering virtually unlimited storage and quick relocation in the event of a disaster. These are just a few examples of how the cloud is transforming industries. With its scalability, cost effectiveness, and flexibility, the possibilities are endless. What other innovative use cases can you think of? Let's dive into the key differences between public cloud and traditional on-premises data center. So when building and running your own data center, you have a long list of responsibilities. You need to worry about things like picking the right location, ensuring reliable power and internet, and considering physical security, mechanical and electrical infrastructure, and hardware. Now let's look at each of these from the perspective of using the cloud. Public cloud providers have locations all over the globe with stringent security measures and mechanical and electrical infrastructure managed by the vendor. In the public cloud, you no longer have direct access to the network hardware, and all physical networking components have been replaced with virtual components. As you can see, the on-premises data center involves a lot more responsibilities and extra cost. By leveraging the cloud, you can exchange your capital expenditure for operational expenditure, giving your business the agility it needs to stay competitive. Let's explore the benefits of cloud computing for organizations. On demand resourcing. One of the key advantages of cloud computing is on demand resourcing. This means that when you need to provision a resource within the cloud, it's almost immediately available to you to allocate where and when you need it. This alleviates the lengthy process of sourcing additional resources for your infrastructure, providing almost instant access to a resource that you have selected and configured via a series of options. Scalability. Cloud computing offers the ability to rapidly scale your environment's resources both up and down and in and out depending on your requirements and demand of your applications and services. This is only possible because of the on-demand resourcing of the cloud. Economy of scale. Due to the huge scale of resources public cloud offering provide, you benefit from exceptionally low compute storage and network cost compared to traditional hosting. Public cloud providers can make use of these when buying infrastructure in huge scales, passing on the savings to you. Flexibility and elasticity. Cloud computing offers huge flexibility and elasticity to your design approach. allowing you to deploy different resources and services within minutes or seconds. This flexibility is often coupled with automation, ensuring your infrastructure will always deliver great service to your customers. Utility based metering. With many cloud services, you only pay for what you use. This means you only pay for resources when you are using them, similar to paying for electricity when you use it. Shared infrastructure. Hosts within the cloud are virtualized, allowing for shared infrastructure, which significantly reduces the amount of physical hardware required, resulting in cheaper cost for you. So let's dive into advantages of cloud computing for businesses. The cloud offers a new wave of life to your businesses and its architecture, providing new ways of working, deployment, and automation. It presents a massive potential within your businesses to innovate and take advantage of new services and technologies. For example, serverless computing can be a game changer, allowing you to focus solely on your code. These can lead to faster production release and innovation, helping you bring new products and applications to market more quickly. The cloud also helps businesses reduce their carbon footprint, making it a huge plus point as a differentiator in leading change for the better. Additionally, it allows for remote working, reducing cost and increasing the scope for talent sourcing. Furthermore, it reduces business risks such as data durability and product risks while making the business more dynamic and efficient. Utilizing the cloud can open up access to data and services for authorized third party vendors, providing significant benefits and leading to a change in business strategy, making your organization stronger within the market.